Hi, I'm Michelle Jedlicka, and I will be leading the AP Physics 1 APSI. I'm looking forward to getting to work with all of you this week. I hope that you learn quite a bit from the experience. Since AP Physics is a lab-based course, we will definitely explore some labs, both hands-on labs and some virtual simulations. We will also look at a lot of instructional strategies to teach a variety of topics in physics. Yes, we're going to focus on AP this week, but if you teach other physics courses, you will learn quite a few, hopefully, instructional strategies that you can use across your courses, regardless of level. Since it's an APSI, we will also spend a significant amount of time learning the AP curriculum itself, digging into the different question types, and everything else that there is to do that is AP.